here, when we talk about making sure that the information that we have here is accessible, we have a data backup system here at the Minnesota Institute of Public Health. There's about 40 employees here at the organization. We are a Mac organization, so we only have like about 4 or 5 PCs here, and so most of everyone here have laptops or Mac computers, and so our servers are Macs. And so, but regardless of that, though, we have kind of we believe a good data backup plan. Yeah, in terms of the data backup system that we use here, we used to have a machine that actually where we inserted 10 tapes, and so they used to rotate. Every time a tape will fill up, second will come in. Each of the tape had a maximum of 60 gigabytes capacity. The problem, we realized that was not actually very efficient and effective, because a lot of those tapes actually went bad after a certain period of time. So we had to constantly be buying tapes. And every time we bought a set of 10 tapes, we would be spending about $250 and $300. And so in terms of cost efficiency, it was not cost effective either. So, and also, there were several situations where, we needed to recover files, specific files. And so in order for us to do that, we had to go through, several tapes in order for us to find the right files. So what we decided to do is two things. We wanted to increase the speed of the data backup, which was very slow. And two, we wanted to make sure that we minimize the cost every time we bought, when thinking about buying new tapes, because the tapes that we were using went bad, and increase the capacity. So those are three things. And so what we did is actually we decided to upgrade, got rid of those 10 tape backup rotation system, and now we have only 2 tapes, and each tape has a capacity of 1 terabyte, 1.6 terabyte. And so it's very fast, because in the past he used to take the whole weekend to do a full backup, and that's what we did every Friday. We started a full backup, and during the week we did incremental backups. And so we come in on Monday, the backup will start on Friday with the old system. We come in on Monday, and the backups were still running, and that actually slowed down our network. And so what we decided to do, of course, is got a couple of new tapes, 1 terabyte each. It's a lot faster. It's easier to recover files because you don't have to go through a lot of tapes, just 1 or 2. And it's been very efficient. But besides that, though, we want to make sure that we have kind of another backup plan in place. So we also have 2 external hard drives that we connect to our servers, and we rotate those external hard drives as well. So, and the capacity for those hard drives is also 1 terabyte. So, they follow the same rotation schedule as the other tapes. So during the week, they do incremental backups, and then on the weekend, we do a full backup of the whole organization. But besides, we also have our servers hard drives. We set up a script where each hard drive is cloned at night, making sure that we still are available to recover the data if the tapes go bad or the hard drives, the external hard drives that we have go bad. So you got to be redundant when we talk about data backups. And so we want to make sure that we have different systems in place. If one system goes down, we have a couple other options that we can go to and recover the files that we need. And so that has been proven to be very effective and cost effective for us, because we have to think not only about how much time it costs for us to buy this equipment, but also the time that it costs the organization when we're trying to recover a file. So we're talking about staff time as well. And so that has been minimized tremendously because of that data backup system that we have in place.